guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Symphony. I film beauty, fashion, and lifestyle content, and if you guys enjoy those types of videos, please make sure to like this video and of course subscribe to my channel to join the harmony. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I install this beautiful 4x4 HD lace closure wig, and that's 26 inches, and this hair is from Hairsmarket, and I'm so excited to show you guys how I install this. Like, I love how it came out. Like, it looks so good and it looks so clean and straight. But if you guys want to see me install this wig and know more information about it, then just keep on watching. I already applied the wig cap on, and now I'm just gonna use this comb just to help me put in the hair that didn't go into the wig cap. Now I'm just taking a cotton round and alcohol, and I'm just gonna clean off my forehead to take off all the excess oils that's on it, and for the glue and the lace to stay on and last long. Then I'm going to be taking some foundation and a brush and just apply it onto the wig cap just to make sure that it blends in with my skin and for the wig to look better. This is how the hair looks. It's really nice and thick and shiny, and I did straighten it off camera and wash it off camera and bleach the knots off camera, but this is how it looks. Now I'm just hot combing my hair just to make sure all the hair is out the way before I apply the glue. You don't want the little pieces of the hair to get stuck onto the glue, or else it'll be like a whole little mess. But this is the glue I'm using. It's from Kiss. It has a double-sided applicator, and this is so beginner friendly. I actually love this glue, and this was my first time using it, and it lasts and it holds. Like, with the pointy side, I just dotted it on. Then with the other side, I just spread it out and added more glue if I needed. And I'm also cutting the little tabs that's on the sides of the lace because it looks very unrealistic. With this glue, I did add about 2 to 3 layers, and the 2 to 3 layers can last for about maybe 3 or 4 days. I kind of took it off early because I needed to do other styles, but this glue right here is so good and I cannot wait to use it again, and it dries really fast too, so you have to be careful. But now I'm just applying the lace onto my forehead, and I wish so bad that I just moved the lace back a little bit more, because naturally I have a big forehead and it matches me, you know. And I wish I would have pre-plucked it a little bit more, but you know what, it's fine, it's okay. I still made it work. You guys will see towards like the middle, towards the end of the video. Now I'm just gonna take this elastic just to make sure that the lace melts onto my skin. So now I'm just gonna show you guys what I received with this wig, and I love the packaging. It's so cute and it's so girly. I received the wig cap that I'm using right now, and of course the wig, and I received the bonnet that's reversible so it can be really pink or red, and it's so cute. And these lashes, and I really love the case on the lashes. But now I'm just taking off the elastic, and look how everything melted, but I forgot to let that other side dry a little bit more. But besides that, it looks so good. While I'm cutting off the excess lace, I'm gonna tell you guys more about the hair. So this is the Hairsmarket straight human hair wig, 4x4 lace closure wig with 150% density, and it's super affordable. It's 100% virgin human hair with barely any shedding, and it don't really tangle, and it's a natural hair color, and it goes up to 30 inches. So in case you don't want the 26, you can do 30 inches, and it has a natural hairline, but I'll personally pre-pluck more if I were you, and I wish I would have did that in this video. But yeah, this is the beautiful wig, and right now I'm just hot combing it more since I already straightened it off camera. But right now I'm just fixing up the lace a little bit more using the Kiss glue, and I'm so glad that I got that glue. It helps so much. Now it's time for me to do the baby hairs, and this time I did them a little bit differently, or it's just the way I applied the wig. Like I said, I wish I applied the wig a little bit more back, and I just go from one side to the other side. Then I grabbed a middle part of the baby hairs, then I just grab them all together and cut them with some eyebrow scissors. And before I did that, I did add an elastic one more time just to make sure everything's melted, and so the baby hairs will be more flat. Now it's time for me to curl them, and I recently got a new curler and this works so much better. It's way thinner, so it's easier to like do the baby hairs and everything, and my face is so funny when I do it. It's like I really look like that when I do my baby hairs, well, when I curl them. But anyway, that's like my little thought every time I edit my videos and see my face like that. But I am using some edge control this time to do my edges. And everything that I'm using in this video will be listed down below, including the wig and the website and all the products that I used in this video. But right now I'm just parting my hair in the middle, my favorite part to do, and I'm just getting ready to hot comb it since the hair is already straight and I don't want to add too much heat to the hair like I already did. But I am using the 𝐏𝐵OMB wax stick, which I need to get more of. Like, I'm about to order that today. Or I might want to try a new one, I don't know yet. But I am hot combing my hair. Then I add an elastic one more time just to make sure everything's flat and settled and melted, everything like that. And I'm going to be hot combing my hair again because the top part is getting like a little floofy. I think it's because the way I did my hair this time for underneath my wig cap, you know. But I'll leave that video too because I swear the style that I do without me having to do cornrows, it helps so much. So I recommend you guys watching my video on how to put thick hair under wig caps. And I am right now adding some waterproof mascara because I did over bleach the knots, and with using concealer. Now I'm just gonna take some Eco Gel and just do the baby hairs that I have on the side of like my natural hair, because it'll look way better and it'll look more neater. This is how the hair looks, and I really love how it turned out, regardless if I did move it up a little bit too much. But I did everything pretty well though. I really like how it turned out. I really love the quality of the hair. I love the cut of the hair. As you can see, it's not looking like a straight cut. It's very much layered with long layers, and it's very flowy, and it's so shiny and beautiful. But I'll let you guys know my final thoughts on this hair towards the end of this video, so stay tuned. This is how the hair looks after I got ready and everything. I love how this wig turned out. It's so pretty, and the hair quality on this wig is seriously top notch. It barely shed, like for example, barely any hair. And I just recently used these just now just to comb it up, and it literally barely sheds. Even when I was washing it too, So this hair is definitely going to be lasting you a very long time. The hair is super soft and it's easy to absorb product too. It's not quick to get frizzy. I do wish I would have moved the wig back just a little bit, and I really love the cut on this hair too. It has some layers in it. It's not all the way super long, but it does get really long towards the back. It has like really long layers. Make sure you guys go check out Hairsmarket. I'll leave all their information in the description box down below for you guys, and all the products I used in this video. I love you guys so much, and God bless you all in Jesus' name, and I'll see you guys in my next video.